And now let's move to the price of gold. Now you see on your screens the 5-year graph of the price of gold. See how it went up, up and up. If you wonder why today it went a bit down, this is because there is a rumor about starting new trade negotiations between China and the United States, and that's why the price went a bit down. But let me tell you what is happening generally with this asset. Since the beginning of 2025, the price of gold has been setting new all-time highs and is up by 23% so far this year. Over the last 1 year, gold has gained 50%. The price of gold has jumped 100% in less than 3 years. On October the 10th, 2022, the price of gold per ounce was $1,704, which has since risen to 3,470 as April 22nd of this year, doubling in less than 2 years and 6 months. The previous rally in gold of this magnitude was witnessed in 2020, but was short-lived. Incidentally, on April 22nd in 2020, gold was trading at 1,700. Gold is finding enough reasons to keep its trajectory upwards. The most recent concern is about US President Donald Trump's criticism of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Before that, a series of factors have led gold prices to keep increasing over the last 2-3 years. The reasons for gold being the only asset class where investors wish to safely deposit their money are numerous and include geopolitical worries, trade disputes sparked by Trump's tariffs, the dollar's decline in value, and a sell-off in US treasuries. Gold is viewed as a safe haven asset amid economic uncertainties. The recent geopolitical situation has led central banks to buy gold in huge quantities as well. China has recently shown itself to be a significant buyer of gold. Gold prices have remained high due to China's growing gold stockpiles. China's overall reserves rose 2.3% to $3.5 trillion between January and March 2025. China reported buying 12.8 tons of gold in the first quarter of 2025. And let me tell you, China is not alone. There are many central banks throughout the world that are buying gold. To give you also an example from the Balkan Peninsula, if you have followed the situation in Turkey, Turkey is not very stable financially and has quite high inflation in the last few years. That's why people are buying massively gold in order to keep the value of their hard-earned money. And this is only one example. There are also other central banks throughout the world that are following the example of China. And the reason is simple. In a time of uncertainty, you need a stable asset, and gold looks like one. This is all from me. See you again next week.